Hi, this is Space News with Julia. Japanese company Ispace is preparing to launch a second spacecraft to the Moon. At a press conference on September 11, executives from Tokyo-based Ispace company announced that their second spacecraft called Resilience will be launched on a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. The spacecraft is now fully assembled and undergoing final testing, after which it will be sent to the spaceport. The Resilience lander is very similar to the HAKUTO-R spacecraft, which was launched to the Moon in December 2022 and crashed in a hard landing in April 2023. The company concluded that a software glitch prevented a safe landing. At the briefing, Ispace also announced the landing site for the second mission, a relatively flat area in the Mare Frigoris, located on the visible side of the Moon. The Resilience vehicle, weighing about 1,000 kilograms, carries 6 payloads, including a small lunar rover called Tenacious, developed by Ispace's European division. The rover will be lowered to the lunar surface after the module lands. It is expected to explore the lunar surface using a camera mounted in its front end, and it will communicate with Earth via the landing module. The Tenacious lunar rover has very compact dimensions. It's only 26 cm high, 31 cm wide and 54 cm long. It has a mass of 5 kg and carries equipment for collecting and analyzing lunar soil samples. It is known that the data obtained during the analysis, Ispace will send to NASA. In addition to the lunar rover, the Resilience landing module also carries 5 scientific instruments, including water electrolysis equipment, an autonomous module for food production experiment, and a space radiation probe. Resilience is just one of 3 spacecraft planned to launch in the next 6 months to the Moon. Firefly Aerospace's Blue Ghost landing module has arrived at a Jet Propulsion Laboratory for final testing before launch, which the company says is scheduled for the fourth quarter of this year. Intuitive Machines is also preparing for its second lunar mission, which is set to launch in January 2025. Interestingly, the Intuitive Machines 2 spacecraft will have to land on the Moon about a week after launch. The Blue Ghost lander, on the other hand, will take about 4 months to reach the Moon, as well as the Resilience spacecraft. This was Space News with Julia. Like, share and subscribe.